Hello everyone, I am Swati. Today I am going to discuss with you all what is a rationalization, which is a topic in class 9th in chapter 1, that is number system. Suppose we have a rational number 3 by 6. It is in the form of p by q. So this is a rational number where p and q, they are integers and q will not be equal to 0. Now whenever we are taking any rational number, so we always write its reduced form. So if I write its reduced form, it will be equal to 1 by 2. Now let us see if I'll have, this is a number. Now there is an irrational number in the denominator. Now I need this number should be an integer. I want to be in the form of a rational number. So what will I do is, I will rationalize the denominator. And how will I rationalize the denominator is that I will multiply with the same number, that is root 5, in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So this will become 3 root 5 upon 5, because here it will become root 5 into root 5, that is root 5 whole square. So root 5 whole square is your 5. So this is how we rationalize the denominator. This is called as rationalization. Now let's take some more example for it. If I'll have 2 upon root 5 minus root 3. Now I need to rationalize the denominator. So what will I do? I will multiply this denominator by its conjugate. So let us first understand what is conjugate. Suppose I have this term and I need to find the conjugate of this term. So the conjugate of this term is, your terms will remain same, x square and this is 2, but the sign will change. Here it is plus, so its conjugate is x square minus 2. If I'll have any term, let's say a plus b, so its conjugate is a minus b. Just we need to change the sign. Suppose I have a term a minus b, so its conjugate is a plus b. So similarly, if I need to find the conjugate of root 5 minus root 3, so its conjugate will be root 5 plus root 3. Now I have to rationalize it, so we'll multiply in the numerator as well as in the denominator by its conjugate. So your numerator will become 2 into root 5 plus root 3 divided by, see here, this is a minus b into a plus b. We have already studied in identities that a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So this will become root 5 whole square minus root 3 whole square. This is equal to 2 into root 5 plus root 3 divided by root 5 whole square is 5 and root 3 whole square is 3. So it will become 2 into root 5 plus root 3 divided by 5 minus 3 is 2, and this will be cancelled out. So you will get the answer as root 5 plus root 3. This is how we rationalize the denominators. Let's take any more examples. If I'll have 1 divided by 5 minus root 2. Now I need to rationalize the denominator. So how will I rationalize it? What will I do? I will find out the conjugate of the denominator. So the conjugate of denominator is 5 minus root 2. So its conjugate will be 5 plus root 2. So what will I do? I will multiply in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So in the numerator, what will I get? 5 plus root 2 divided by, again a minus b into a plus b. It will become a square minus b square. So it will be your 5 square minus root 2 square. So what you will get here is 5 plus root 2 divided by 5 square is 25 and root 2 square is 2. So this is equal to 5 plus root 2 divided by 23. So this is how we can rationalize the denominators. You need to just see what is your denominator and you need to find the conjugate of it, and to find the conjugate, if you have a minus sign here, the conjugate will be 5 plus root 2. If suppose it will be plus, so your conjugate will be 5 minus root 2. This is how we need to find conjugate first, and then we can rationalize the denominators. Thank you.